I got Nikes, Adidas, different Reeboks, Reeboks. I was raised up in the city, in the scenes, harder than God with the crooks and criminal breed. True gangsters over something like a whole bang with Jesus, 7 3. Always gotta say, bringing you back what you're missing, hip hop.
I'm a court cat, but I'm a mama. Come on!
Once again, a big round of applause. Emerson Ceres. Okay, thank you. So we have Miss Angel de Guzman.
Apple, happy birthday! Nakakainis ka, naiiyak ako. Pero for 5 months lang naman tayo nagkasama, pero parang feeling ko 5 years na. Kasi sobrang close agad natin. Ayun. Basta lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo, kahit lagi lang tayo nag-aasaran. Mahal na mahal kita. Love you. Happy birthday!
Okay, thank you, Angel. Next, we have Miss Chris Loto.
Hi guys, good evening. Lakas maka-flight attendant eh. Tapos wait lang. Sorry muna kasi na-late kami. Alam mo, kung alam mo lang yung pinagdaanan namin. Mula sa Commonwealth hanggang sa North EDSA para bilhin yung dress mo. Tapos syempre happy birthday. Belated happy birthday. Kasi sabi nga Angel, 5 months na tayo nagkasama. Pero parang 5 years na. Super close na natin. As in, parang kitang kapatid. Parang since birth magkakilala na tayo. Ayun, salamat sa pagsama mo sa katuparan ng mga pangarap mo. Alam ko pangarap mo. Tapos nandito lang kami lagi, of course. Bebes, nagmamahal sa'yo. Tapos kung papalarin mo kami ni Angel na makalipat, syempre, magkikita-kita pa din tayo. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Apple. I love you.
Okay, thank you, Chris. Next, we have Miss Sheila Mariel Cristobal.
Happy 18th birthday and be grateful for this, for another year of your life. Not just a year older, but a year better. Here's to the... Here's to another year of experience, and Apple, I will always be your friend, and I want you all the best you could possibly be. I love you, babe.
Okay, thank you, Sheila. Next, we have Mr. Chico Velasquez. Okay, thank you, Chico. Next, we have Vesper Velasco.
You know, Be, I never thought na magiging ganito tayo ka-close. And thank you so much kasi ang bait mo sa akin. Yung, alam mo yung dati na hindi tayo papansinan, but nag-iba yung tingin ko eh. And pinagalaman ako. And good luck na lang sa career, man. I love you so much.
Okay, thank you, Vesper. Next, we have Carl Anthony Digno. Palakpakan naman natin si Carl.
Hello, Apple. Happy 18th birthday. Alam mo naman na sobrang importante mo sa ating magkakaibigan. Ayun lang. Happy birthday. Tsaka i-push mo pa yung pag-aaral. Alam ko naman kayang-kaya mo yan. Good luck, good luck.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Miss Catherine Emil Liwag.
Si Liwag, galing JXL.
Bebe, Apple, thank you kasi naging part ka ng buhay ng isa't isa sa amin. Saka, first sem pa lang, ikaw na yung isa sa una kong pinakakaibigan. Saka, salamat at naging stay tayo until second sem. Sana, until graduate tayo, magkakasama pa rin tayo. I love you.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Renzi Ceres.
Happy birthday. Tanda ka na.
Lilio.
Yun, happy birthday and more birthdays to come so others have time to appreciate you as much as I do. I love you.
Okay, yes. Next, we have Mr. Jericho Lambert Flores.
Happy birthday. Tapos, kahit nung nung fourth year lang kita naging kaibigan, sana magkaibigan pa rin tayo hanggang ngayon. Sana i-treasure mo lahat ng mga nangyayari sa atin nung high school. Tapos, thank you for considering me as your friend. Tapos, happy birthday.
Okay. Next, we have Kates of Miss Kates.
Thank you for inviting me kahit yung first time tayo close, yung second time. Ayun, masaya kasama. God bless.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Mr. Mark Gerald Alawan.
Good evening nga po. Happy 18th birthday and maraming salamat kasi in-invite mo ako tapos linggo-linggo mo ako pinupuntahan sa bahay. And maraming salamat kasi naging malaki kang parte ng buhay ko. Alam mo naman, hindi ako umiinom ng gato. Pero para sa'yo, inom ako.
Oh, yes. Okay, next, we have Miss Sarina Obedosa, college friend.
Yan, happy 18th birthday. Ito lang na may gusto ko sabihin. Hello, babe. Tayo na nakakalam nun kung bakit halabo, di ba? I love you and sana masaya ko kasi nakilala kita. Yun, masaya nang barkadahan natin. Sana hindi tayo magkakailan. Love you.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Mr. Carlo Cabanes, a high school friend.
Well, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Salamat sa pag-invite mo dito. Kung kailangan mo lang ng tulong sa yun, nandito lang kami. Si Jericho nandyan rin. Happy 18th birthday. More birthdays to come.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Joy May Horca. Yan.
Paul, happy 18th birthday. Thank you for having me here. Tapos salamat sa friendship. Tapos always keep in touch. Happy birthday ulit.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Odi Ray Romero.
Hello, good evening po. Ayun, happy birthday, Apple. Thank you so much at in-invite mo kami dito. Even though nung fourth year lang tayo na naging close, naging guide. Parang yun, thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa memories, sa tawanan, sa palagi mong pagdadala ng digital camera sa school. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Okay, next, we have Arian Berry.
Happy birthday, Apple. Thank you kasi in-invite mo ako dito sa birthday mo. Kahit di tayo lagi nagkikita, friends pa rin tayo. Tsaka, stay watch your car and thank you ulit. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Miss Arian. Okay, last but not the least, we have Mr. Rickson Magada.
Ayun, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ayun, maraming salamat kasi na-invite mo kami dito. Hindi lang ako kasi pati yung buwan, especially. Tapos maraming salamat sa lahat. Lagi may kakandaan na dito kami lahat. Text mo lang kami kung may kailangan. Tapos kung may kailangan kami, text mo lang kami. Ayun lang, maraming salamat.
Okay, there you have it, our 18th.
Alam ko tapos na. Sino pa, Sarah? Ano ba yan? Round 2. Taas mo na po, taas.
wish? Secret? Sige, secret na lang. Okay, may blow your candle. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, there you have it. Happy birthday, slice mo. Ito nga, lalabas ito. Ayan. Ang liit. Okay. Okay, then your mommy, your dad, and ah? Parang naalala mo ba nung bata ka pa? Yes, si daddy ang yes! Go! Yes! Yan! Okay, ikaw naman. Mahilig sabihin. And so, AG pa rin naman, Apple Grace. Wow! Talaga. Wow! Naku, lagi pa ito. Okay, sige, siya yung last. Si Mami muna. First, Mami. Mami first. Naku, yes, Mami. Yes, oh, Mom. Mas maganda daw yan kasi mas abundant sino po sasama yung pari. Mas much stronger ang relationship. Yes. Kahit yata dalawang ano eh, kaya eh. Oh my God. Talaga. Eto, take a big kaya ba? Kaya? Get ready naman yung water. Talaga isinuksok na eh. Diba? Sumunti. Anyway, sa side of ano talaga, magkasundo sila magkapatid. Of course, nag-celebrate kayo ng 25th birthday nyo. Kayo naman din. Makita namin dito kung paano for mommy and daddy naman. Nasa na yung anong sikreto? Bakit tumagal ng ganun? Interview mo nga muna si daddy. Napaka-strong na yung relationship at umabot kayo sa 25th silver wedding.
Sa teka lang, umabot ko na 25 years. Tiis. Ayan po, tiis. Pag uwi ka ako, nanginom. Masada ka lang doon masada.
Maraming salamat at lagi ka nasa likod sa mga anak mo. Nagabayan mo sila. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Lalo yun sa anak mo. Alam mo, kahit wala siya dito. Anong masaya siya. Maraming salamat talaga. Ayan, ganyan ha. Yan natin ang ating glass, yan. Oh. Anong nire-request nila? Kiss daw. Okay, 1. Sa lips daw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Bakit ganun? Pag silver wedding dati sa lips ngayon, parang gusto dito na lang. Ganun ba talaga? Paano kaya pag naalala niyo pa ba? Yung tula kayong kinasal? Mami, tapos na ba sila? Hindi talaga nito si Papa Jack. No, Papa Jack. Ay yung famous na radio announcer, DJ. Papa Jack. Kiss na ulit! Okay! For the last time, 1, 2, 3, go! Yan. Thank you po! Thank you!
Maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta. Tapos, Kati Lele, kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po magiging maganda yung araw ko. Tapos, sa hair and makeup ko, kay Michael, kay Ate Mina, kay Kuya Bong, kapatid ko na tumulong din para mangyari to. Sa magulang ko na sumuporta. Sa ninang ko na umuwi para sa araw ko. Lalong-lalo na sa kapatid ko na kung dahil sa kanya wala tong araw na to. Maraming salamat.
Ayaw niya na ako tutuloy. Akin pa to. Joke. Of course, siyempre sa mga friends niya na napunta rito from elementary, high school, yung college, yung kanyang mga teachers, mga relatives, yung cousin, tito, titas, lolo, lola. Hindi ko yata nakita ang lolo, no? Mga titos, wala na. Very emotional. And lalo na kay si Mark Anthony na I'm sure na talagang kung nandito rin siya, isa siya sa magiging masaya. Celebrate ng iyong birthday. Okay? Nakahinga na ng konti. Baka may nakalimutan. Okay na. Sige, party na daw. Thank you po. Thanks for coming. Once again, a big round of applause for our birthday celebrant, Apple Gray Ceres.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, you can count on me 'cause I can count on you. When the daylight's gone and you're on your own and you need a friend just to be around,
Bye.